Okay, so here's a graph illustrating the stairs situation that I just showed you a while ago, and we'll call this graph climbing stairs. So if I'm given this graph, I have many points on the graph. For instance, I have this point right here, I have another point right here, and I have another point right here. Let's suppose I'm told, obviously, that this relationship is proportional. The relationship between the rising on the stairs and the going across, that it is a proportional relationship. The number of stairs that I go up compared to the number of stairs that I go across is a proportional relationship. So I go up 0.8 of a stairs in terms of a unit rather. So I go up 0.8 of a unit for every unit that I go across. Alright? So let's suppose you didn't know all that information and all you saw was a line through the origin with a point 2, 1.6 on the line again, 2, 1.6 on that line, and this line goes through the origin. Well, notice that the 2 is the x value, right? The 2 is the x value and the 1.6 is the y value. Okay? So the 2 is the x value, the 1.6 is the y value. Well, we can just do this. We can do like we were doing before. Y divided by x. As long as we're not dividing by 0 at this point, we're good. Y divided by x is going to be the same as 1.6 divided by 2. Alright? Okay, so y divided by x is going to be 1.6 divided by 2. Okay, but I can simplify this. I can divide the top by 2 and I can divide the bottom by 2. Alright, and so if I divide the top by 2 and the bottom by 2 on the right hand side, what I end up getting, I can end up getting something simpler. Alright, so I will get here, I will get y divided by x is equal to 0.8 divided by 1. And you don't see the 1 here, but it's there. Okay, so the 1 is there. Alright, and so I multiply the 1 and by the y. Okay, so I find the product of the 1 and the y, which would just give me y, and I find the product of the 0.8 and x, which would just give me 0.8x. So just like we expected, the equation is y equals 0.8x. And again, we found this just by looking at the graph and using what we know about proportionality to find our equation. Alright? So now, in the next slide, we're going to actually look on a problem that I want you to do for yourself in the you do section. Okay, so take a few minutes. This probably should take you 5 to 7 minutes to work on this problem. Alright?